things something like them tens.
I was even thinking about it turning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Doing some motherfucking back day, nigga. Yeah, I'm tired, bro. I'm kind of heavy, but I'm kind of weak right now, so I don't know how many we're gonna do. Nah, I'm weak. Steroids coming soon. No, I'm kidding. I can't. I'm not allowed. Mom said no. I can't flex that good. That's all you get. I would take off my shirt, but I got a girl. Sorry. I'm just gonna spam these for a little bit. Then probably do like 20 to 30 minutes of bike. We normally run and then do bike. Fuck. Damn, nigga. Shit, dude. Smash that fucking like button. Subscribe right now, nigga. We have car videos and shit. Y'all wanna see another workout video? Give this shit to 20 likes. That's all I'm asking, nigga.